In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reinstall keyboard driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the device manager. So here at the device manager, you'll get to see all of the list of drivers that are very important to your PC or computer. So first, you need to select the keyboards. Once you've selected it, click on this forward arrow key and eventually you'll be able to see your keyboard driver. So make a right click and click on update driver. And here you will be able to see two options. Please proceed with search automatically for drivers. And here the Windows has determined that the best drivers for this device are already installed. So please proceed with search for updated drivers on Windows Update and your computer will search for updated drivers. So once you've seen it, please install it in your PC and in that way you'll be able to reinstall your keyboard driver. Okay, so another way that you can do in order to reinstall your keyboard driver is that you need to make a right click, click on update driver, and go with browse my computer for drivers manually. So please choose for let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. So please select that one. So in this way, you'll be able to select the device driver that you need to uninstall for this computer. So there you can see the compatible hardware. Click on next. In that way, you'll be able to reinstall might as well update your keyboard driver. Okay, so just have to restart your computer and there you have that you would be able to reinstall that. So the third solution that you can do is that you need to select your keyboard driver again, make a right click and this time you click on uninstall device. So you might think that the moment you've clicked on uninstall, you can no longer use the keyboard. I mean, you can still use that. You just have to reinstall that by restarting the PC. So restart your PC and the moment you do it, you would be able to reinstall your keyboard driver. Okay, so those are the three simple methods on how to reinstall your keyboard driver. If those steps had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.